In this class tonight, we looked at a particular step where we start with the side step and a little sandwich. And then I go around Shelley, leading a low Boleo. And one of the spots where we wanted to look was at the men's feet here, that her axis, the leg that she's on, should be between my legs. So here's my foot, and I'm going around her. So I don't want to come too close to Shelley, too into her where she falls over, or back where she falls forward. I want to go around so that she can stay nice and balanced on her supporting leg. Then, as I come around, I'm going to step a little bit out around her with my left and bring us into a promenade position. Then I'm going to lead her to step forward, and we talked about how our feet are turned towards one another. So we're not going forward like this, but together. And I'm going to understep her just a touch so that I can bring her back in front of me. So I'm taking weight on my right and then letting her come back in front. I'm really trusting her to do this. I'm not trying to pull her back in front. I'm just relaxing, bringing my embrace back in front of myself, and then trusting her to pivot and come back to neutral. Then we walked out. So all together, this first part would look like this. And out. Then we took this, where she came back, and a little rebound, and reversed. So there and here. Then I take my left, find her foot, come around with my right. She sandwiches, does any embellishments that she wants to do. Then she steps over, takes a forward step, and I lead her to a side, and then we're back out. So we start in the line of dance, and we end in the line of dance. So all together. We can stay in a close embrace if we want to, for most of the step, not all of it. So here we're in close, still in close. Here we have to separate just a little bit to do the promenade. Then back to close. And here we can stay close. And down. So we looked at also a couple of little additions that we can make to this step, just to play with it a little bit. I can play with her back leg here. And then as she comes around here, she can tap my foot. So right here, I'm sort of putting the brakes on. It's a little bit of rebound. So when she feels that stop, then she feels comfortable with tapping my foot. Because of course I could take this step and turn it into a turn. But since she feels that stop, she feels free to do a little tap there. Here, of course, plenty of time for her to embellish. As she comes over, I can stop her here and lead a gancho. The last possibility that we looked at is that when she steps over, I stop her here and do another sandwich. And I could stop her here. So lots of little things to play with. It's a simple little step. He keeps moving in the line of dance, and lots of things to add and to play with.